All right, so I realized that the storm drain is actually a storm drain plan as well, and that is sheet number 7. So let's go ahead and insert that one, even though we did the utility one, and we'll be able to work with them both. So again, I'm going to move this guy over. I'm going to come back up to my import, and I'm going to choose sheet number 7 this time. Going to import that in. And then we'll georeference that just like we did the utility plan. And then we'll have them both in here that we can work with. And so it's processing it. And again, it's going to move this guy over and do the georeference. And again, this has all my table information, so I'm going to keep it in there. I'm going to grab that. I'm going to come over here. And we'll go ahead and grab that corner there. And just using the same 2 points. So repetition is good. Kind of learn by doing this a few times. Again, you can do it in any order. It's up to you. Again, just make sure you learn the tool. Hit register. Now we've got the storm plan on here. And if I turn, toggle them on and off, I can see the difference, the 2 different sheets. Okay. So this one here is our storm drain. So if I go to the properties, I'm going to rename that one to storm drain. So we'll call that one storm drain. I'll go back to my Project Explorer, take a look at this one. We'll look at the properties of that one, and we'll call that utility. Okay. So now we've got it nice and clean, and we've got our data. If I go to here, again, I'm going to come down, and we're going to work with the storm drain. I'll turn off the grading plan. And now you can see here we've got our combination inlets, our pipe sizes, so we can now work on doing the utilities.